Welcome, beautiful soul. This is a unity consciousness meditation, a gentle journey to awaken your awareness of oneness, wholeness, and divine connection with all that is. If you've been seeking peace, inner harmony, and a sense of infinite belonging, you are in the perfect place. Close your eyes, relax your body, and allow your breath to guide you home. Inhale deeply, as though drawing in light from the cosmos. Exhale fully, releasing all separation, all boundaries, all tension. Imagine yourself standing in a vast, open field beneath an endless starry sky. Each star glimmers like a heartbeat of the universe, alive, luminous, eternal. With every breath, you feel your body soften, your heart expand. The edges of who you think you are begin to dissolve. You are no longer contained by skin, by form, by story. Instead, you are radiance. You are breath. You are the space between the stars. Now feel yourself merge with the earth beneath you. Her steady heartbeat pulses through your feet, anchoring you in unconditional love. You are one with her oceans, her forests, her mountains, her winds. Every river is your bloodstream, every tree your lungs. Notice now the way the sky embraces you. The sun, moon, and stars shine within you. You are not separate from them. You are woven of the same cosmic threads. As your awareness expands, see every being, every human, every animal, every soul glowing with the same light. The illusion of me and you dissolves, leaving only we, a living web of unity, experiencing itself through countless forms. Rest here in the ocean of oneness. Feel the peace of knowing that you are whole, loved, infinite. You are not a drop in the ocean. You are the ocean in a drop. Stay in this vibration as long as you wish, and when you return, carry this unity with you. May it remind you that love, connection, and peace are always who you truly are. Take one more deep breath in. Exhale slowly and gently open your eyes, returning to this moment, expanded, connected, one.